Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys. Where will present the material attached express information from Sharia banking text. The member of the group Brigita Aprilia, Cecilia Octavia, Karisa Wijayanti. A. Definition of written information. Sentence is a collection of words that have a last, a subject, and a predicate. A collection of sentences that are related to as all their will from a paragraph. A few paragraphs will make up a reading. Written information is information that is clearly written in the reading text and understand the meaning contained in the news text of certain text. According to the Big Indonesia Dictionary, written can be interpreted as having been written, destined, or explicit. Explicit means clear, firm, frank, and uncomplicated. Explicit information from a reading can be obtained directly through reading. An explicit sentence is a type of sentence whose meaning is straightforward or clear. The information provided in reading is given in accordance with what is written. Written information is usually written directly in the information or text. The explicit meaning is the clear meaning in a phrase. For example, it rained heavily in Bogor yesterday afternoon. The explicit meaning is that the city of Bogor had rained yesterday afternoon. The explicit information it can usually be associated with the 5W plus 1H element, namely what, when, where, who, why, and how, which are the elements that make up a text.
B. Characteristic of explicit information. Information that explains everything directly. There is nothing to cover up or hide. Explicit information is presented clearly without further ado. Is a type of information that usually has standard words. C. How to get explicit information. Look for very accurate information, easy to understand, record important information in the text, read carefully. D. Examples of written information. 1. This week, we are starting to enter the rainy season. We must not be careless about the negative impact that accompanies it. This is learned all around us, taking advantage of our negligence in keeping the environment clean. So don't forget to get rid of objects in the yard that can be flooded with rainwater, such as cans, bottles, or the plastic containers. Don't give mosquitoes a chance to breed. If one day our house is flooded, immediately clean the house from the rest of the flood. Be aware, flood water contaminated with red urine will spread the dangerous diseases. The explicit information from the text is prepare the environment to avoid flooding during the rainy season, because from the reading there is information. If one day our house is flooded, immediately clean the house from the remnants of the flood. This condition is the same as preparing the environment to avoid flooding during the rainy season. 2. I was sad when you left here. 3. I have no food to eat. Lydia likes watching movie and her cold pond. E. Difference in express and implied information. Explicit information can be referred to as explicit information, while implied information can be referred to as implicit information. The main difference between explicit and implied information lies in how to find meaning or message in a text. In explicit information, the meaning or message can be found directly in the text, while the implied information, meaning or message can only be found after reading the entire content of the text. Differentiator. Definition. Explicit meaning or message can be found directly in the text. Implicit meaning or message can only be obtained after reading the entire text. Academic use. Explicit. Usually explicit information is used in academic or other fields. Implicit. Usually implied information is used in the literature. Ambiguity. Explicit information cannot cause ambiguity because it is conveyed directly. Implicit information usually creates ambiguity. Meaning. Explicit contains primary meaning because it directly uses words that are directly related in the text. Implicit contains a secondary meaning because it is necessary to find out the true meaning. Use in literary words. Explicit. The use of explicit information in literary words is rarely used. Implicit. The use of implied information is often used in literary words.
F. Example conversation. Teller. Hello mom, can I help you? Customer. I want to open a new saving account. Teller. What type of saving do you want? Customer. What kind of account do you recommend? Teller. For standard us, we have two types of account, saving account and saving accounts. Customer. Can you explain to me the pros and cons? Teller. A deposit account is a type of account where you can withdraw and deposit money. You can do this through teller, ATM machines, or internet banking. Meanwhile, a saving account is a type of account that is not intended for everyday use. You must keep your money in the account for a certain period of time. Of course, your savings can earn interest over time. Customer. I think open good account. Teller. Will to open this two account, you need to deposit a minimum amount $50. Customer. I want to deposit $500. Teller. That's great. Now can I borrow your ID card? You can fill out this form while I open your account. Customer. Here it is. Teller. Let me open the account for you. Customer. Great. Okay. A question. Number 1. What is meant by explicit information? Number 2. Mention the characteristic of writing information. Number 3. How to get express information. Number 4. Mention the difference between express and implicit information.
Maybe that's what we can convey about the material of express information from Sharia banking tech. Hopefully it's useful. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.